Hello everyone, welcome back to IPLF Insights. Today we'll be delving into the trademark domain again. I have with me advocate Bhavya. So Bhavya, we get a lot of questions wherein there are certain clients who have been using the trademark from last 10 to 15 years but somehow missed to file it with the trademark registry, and now some new company came in and they started using, filed the mark, got it registered. So what protection they can look for here?
Okay, so Bhumika, in such a case, if they have adequate documents to substantiate use of their mark, and if their use is prior to the use what the other applicant is claiming, so in such a case they can file an application with the trademarks registry along with adequate documents and claiming prior use, because in India prior user gets better right than the applicant who is prior earlier in filing their application, or even the registered proprietor.
Okay, so counter question here would be like, would they stand any chance if they file a cancellation or rectification for the new firm?
Right, so they can do that. So if in case they can substantiate their prior use and the other mark is also similar to their mark, in such a case they can approach the competent authority and file for cancellation of their trademark.
Okay, great. So I hope some queries were sorted here. We would love to connect back with you. Thank you.